There are perfectly good and proper reasons why Oxford might not be right for everybody. I think my concern and the concern of the university would be anybody who thinks it's not right for them because they're not the right type of person. There's no reason for anybody to think that that's the reason why they shouldn't consider Oxford.
I didn't think it was possible. I didn't think that somebody from my background could end up at Oxford. And I did the summer school and just fell in love with Oxford, and I didn't possibly want to not try. I knew that I'd regret it if I didn't at least try to apply, but I knew that if I ended up here I'd be very, very happy.
Oxford is one of the best decisions I've made. I recommend applying, even if you don't think you're going to get in, because pretty much everyone here doesn't think that they will.
The university takes these access initiatives because it recognises that while there are many students who have the qualifications and ability to aspire to a place on our degree programmes, they don't necessarily have the same level of access to information, to support and assistance that will help them in making that application.
So the Pathways events are sort of an introduction to law, so you get talks about what the court system might be and different bits and pieces about law, and then you get a chance to talk to students, people like me, who are doing law, often over lunch, for example, in a nice college hall, which is always good fun.
Pathways to Law opened doors that were otherwise inaccessible to me. I was able to meet people and to discuss things that I didn't really know about before, so I found out about commercial law, which I didn't have a clue about, but actually is what I want to practice in the future.
The main idea behind this webpage, I hope, is that anybody who is thinking about applying to Oxford will have somewhere that they can go to, at least to begin with, to start making the contacts that are going to be helpful to provide them with the information that I mentioned before, which will hopefully encourage them and assist them in making any application to Oxford.
Oxford's somewhere where all of the ideas of Oxford plus everything else that you could imagine. I think it's somewhere that's pretty special.